Hi, I'm Aaron Chung and I'm from Kingsborough College. A lot of people know about this, so not all of them. It's called the zoologist. That means is that there's people who work with animals. So today I'm gonna show you. So I draw a lot of animals from the past. I have done from the past. I think. What was my photos up there and. So I'm gonna show you, and before you do that, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on notifications, and yeah, if there's anything leftovers, nothing right there. Okay, so the first animal I'm talking about is this one, the African crested porcupines. They don't have bobs. They're actually easy to pull out, and also you have long ones. That means they are quills. And how long was it? And this African animal is the hippopotamus. It can actually open the mouth, but it's the second most fiercest animal on Earth. And I draw the world's most venomous fish, the stonefish. What a cool animal. They have 13 spines on their back, and they create with venom. It's called swelling, hay fever, vomiting, and paralysis on humans. But not the same thing as sharks, rays, and moray eels. They can lift their spines up to attract their prey when it's attacked. And this one is a roosterfish. Not like the stonefish. It has fins, not like venomous spines. And they call them roosterfish because they have a crest like a rooster. And this little stripe is the numbat. That's a pretty cool picture I have drawn. And this one, they call themselves striped rats and some, or the thylacine, marsupial thylacine. They lived back a few million years before we were born. And this second largest member of the weasel family is the wolverine. It's very fierce. It can go to any countries, and they can survive from snow habitats. And this one is the largest member of the Panthera family, the jaguar. Okay, never mind. My dad just turned off air conditioning. Never mind. And this one lived back in ancient Amazon. They create their rituals for their religion. Let me start up. It's about 2:39 in the morning, so a couple of pictures I have to show you. Right there is a sand tiger shark. This one is a cousin of a tiger shark. I put it up on my wall next to my desk. And also, they don't have bacteria like a regular tiger shark. And this small one, the little weasel called the black-footed ferret. They can actually live in North America, but they can actually hunt rodents, and including squirrels and mice. And this one, let me nearly get in there, is the dusky shark. And that's pretty cool animal, though. I'm not sure about dusky shark, but I do know a couple of sharks. Right there, this is a puma. But it's similar to other Panthera species, but it is members of the Panthera family. And this ape is the orangutan. This one is 95% of our DNAs. They create their medicine, and they teach the young one to how to eat the proper fruit. And this one here is a moray eel. They can actually open their mouths 90 degrees angle, and also is one of the fiercest animals in the coral reef. You can find them in the the tropics coral reef. And the world's largest venomous snakes is the king cobra. You can see it now. As you can see, it can grow up to 16 feet long. Like it's similar to king brown snake. And one of the toxic salamander is the fire salamander. They call them fire salamanders because when they spit the venom, they squirt the venom on the predators like hedgehog trying to eat them. They cause blindness and cause burns and stuff. And this one here is a hawkbill sea turtle. They sometimes live in USA, including not all of them. They can live in a coral reef, but they call them hawkbill sea turtle because they have a hawk beak shape. And most countries in Australia we found is the red fox. I don't draw. I forgot to color in the red areas, but never mind for that. But they can actually pounce, not like dogs. Let's see where I can show you. Yep, I only have a couple left. Okay. This right here is a sea lion, and also we found sea lions. You can find them when you go to the beach where the Cape Barren goose inn was there. And the world's largest member of deer family is this guy, the moose, the largest deer in the world. This one shines bright. I'm not sure why. Never mind, just my desk. It's just my light. Never mind for that. And what has a tooth, but it's a tusk, is the narwhal. It's a member of the whale family. They live in Antarctica, but they do not live in North or South Pole, North Pole. And the smallest member of sea otters we left the sea otter. They can actually stay water, but they do not breathe on the water too long because they eat sea urchins. And the salmon eaters of members of shark family is the salmon shark. What a combo. So they have razor sharp teeth to grip on the sockeye salmon. And the last one, what I'm just going to talk about, is the alligator snapping turtle. This one is monstrous. They can found in Florida to Texas. And that's all the pictures I have shown you. So there will be a comment for you. I have a question. Let me know in the comments below. What is your favorite animal? And tell me why it is. And tell me what kind of animal, what animal you got bitten, it stings you, or bites you. Comment down below if you got bitten and got stung. So until then, I'm Aaron Chung. Be brave, stay wild. We'll see you on the next adventure.